Okay, so welcome back guys once again, and we are doing this trivia December 2022, and we have completed our first, second and third lab, and this will open in second week. So keep your eye on this uh, week trivia, and today we will start this fourth lab. Okay, so let me log in first. Okay, so we are ready. This is your dashboard, and let's start. First of all, let me scroll down and see. First to login, the retax maybe require this cloud cell. So let's activate it first. Alright, so this is ready. Now scroll down, copy this code, paste it here, and click authorize. That's it. And now scroll down a little bit. Let's go for the tax one. You have to copy this code, firestore, paste in the search box, paste it there, go with the first link, minimize this one, and just wait a little bit. Okay, so here is the window. We have to select native mode, so the first one, click select, and what about the location? We have to choose NAM5. So second one, not tested, click create database, and it will take some time. Okay, so we need to wait a little bit, so just wait. Okay, so this is done. Now close this tab in that window, close this one too, and click create database. So where is that step? We are going to click create database. So this is basically ready. Now it says to click create database, and we have already clicked there now. Okay, let's move to the next step. Create a project wide SSH key. So how to do this? Open new cloud cell windows, copy this thing. Okay, before what about the username? Replace the username with you can get the username from this code. Okay, so copy this my code first, and bring this cloud cell little bit and paste it here. So this is your username. Copy this code from the second line, and also copy this username, and remove this and paste it here, press enter. Okay, so for passphrase, what we will do, use an empty passphrase. Okay, so press enter and once more. That's it. Okay, now let's import the public key to the cloud. So copy this code and paste it here, and just wait a little bit. It is done. Now what we have to do, we need to verify. So yeah, definitely it will be there. Now we can move to the next step, creating a service account. So copy this code, paste it here, okay. Now copy this whole code and paste it here and press enter key. Creating a service account. Okay, so after running this second line code, we'll check our progress. So let's wait here. Okay, so this is completed, and here is our service account. Now I can check my progress, and this will give us green checkbox. Nice. Now we can move to the next step. For the task 2, we have to search this. So copy it, go to this navigation menu. Here is the marketplace, so click it and bring it down, and let's wait. From the cloud cluster offering across the marketplace, select launch button. Okay, first we have to search it here, so paste it and press enter key and click it and click this launch button and just wait little bit. So here is, you have to fill here something. Okay, in the development setup page, keep the default values and put service account name just you created in this script. Okay, so we have to put our service account name and select allow cloud cluster to use the scope of this script created in SA. Okay, so this is service account. You have to check this button and save the terms and condition. Okay, nothing to change. We need our service account first. So here is service account now, this one. So copy it clearly and paste here. That's it. Check this checkbox, service account API permission, and next thing, check this also and click deploy. That's it. And let's wait a little bit. Once our cluster is ready, we can check our progress. Okay, it is just created now, and I can check my progress. The admin URL can take up to 5 minutes to become active. Okay, so this is admin URL. Okay, take about 5 minutes. Instance come up with the fully self configured. Once it is, you can see the following. Okay, so for task 3, click this admin URL. Okay, so we'll wait for 5 minutes. Once it is active, we can move to the next step. So let's wait. Okay, so this is ready now. Just click this admin URL link, you will see this page. Okay, so after 5 minutes it is ready. Now what we need, so once it is ready, we have to go to Vim instance page. Okay, so click this link and you can click this leave button and just wait a little bit. Startup key, we need a startup key, no? We need a startup key. So scroll down, it is inside the metadata. So scroll down. Okay, so inside this custom metadata, you can see there is a startup key. So copy it carefully and paste it here. Click next, and we need to wait here a little bit. So okay, so file behind is successful. Okay, so let me fill this thing. First name, so I will write my name, and for the username we will copy this username and paste it here and remove this from the @Qwiklabs.net. So remove that much and let me fill this. Okay, and for the password, copy this password and paste here, and once again paste it here. So this is the password, and for the username, just include everything after this @. Just remove this thing @Qwiklabs.net and include this student and something. Okay, So after filling this information, click this button, and this is done. You can see the same dashboard. Okay, good. Now what we have to do, we have to click overview, click this overview, and then we have to click plus button. So click this plus button, and then after what you have to do, you have to select the option for available zone and instant SSH key. So select the first one, and we need environment name. Okay, so here is the environment name. Copy this text from the third step and paste here inside this environment field, and leave everything as a default. Okay, select SL URM and test. So it is test and SL URM, good. And select quick start and scroll down. Okay, so everything is good. Now click this quick start link. It is a link or button, whatever. Okay, so once it is clicked, select instance type N1 standard 1, N1 standard 1. I think everything is correct now. For the number of storage instance, select one. Number of storage instance 1. Yeah, so everything is perfect. Now we can click next arrow. So click this arrow, and okay, once it is clicked, copy this IP range and paste it here. And after the successful review your environment configuration, make sure standard is selected for instance type and click create environment. Okay, now you can click this create environment button, and I think this will take some time. Yeah, this will take roughly about 15 minutes. So let's wait. Once it is ready, we can move to the next step. So okay, so this is finally ready. You can see it is active now. So once it is ready, I can check up my progress. Okay, so you can move to the task 4. I mean task 5. There is nothing inside this task 4. So let's go to task 5. After your environment has been created, click access tab. So where is this one? Click it, and you will see something like this, and select the link for this open on demand. Okay, so click this link, and okay, so username, so we know the username. Copy this, paste it here, remove up to @ and this is the password. So paste it here, click sign in, and once you sign in, you have to go to the cluster and select access in the terminal, and then enter, type yes, and then enter your password. Okay, so go to the cluster, click this cell, okay, type yes, press enter, and for the password, copy this password, press Ctrl V and enter. That's it. So once you logged in, you can run this code, copy it and paste it here, press enter. That's it. Now you have to go to the home directory, go to the file, click home, and you have to navigate to this location. So copy it and click change directory, remove this thing, paste the new directory link, this one, and click OK. Okay, so there are three of files here, same like this. Now select MPI prime message, so this one, check it, and we have to click edit button. So where is the edit button? Okay, so here you just click this three dot and you can see this edit button, so click it and this will open up the editor. Yeah, it is here, and we have to add this command below this, so copy this command and yeah, it is at the top. Press enter, paste it here, press enter, that's it. And this command will the other confound in the cloud. Okay, remove the extra hash from the scheduler you are running, extra hash from the scheduler. So we are running this scheduler, no, SLURM SPP scheduler, so remove this hash sign. Okay, just remove these two and keep one hash sign, no, just remove one hash sign. And for this lab, okay, what we have to do, we have to change n1, change this 2 to 1, and okay, so it is good. Just remove the hash sign and replace this 2 with 1. It is done. And what next we have to do, we have to use this code. So this code must be somewhere. Yeah, it is here. So -4. Okay, so we have to change here this 4 with 2. So we have to edit this 4 with 2 and do this hash sign and make it 1. So this is the 2 place, we have to read it. The first place is this one and this is the second place. Okay, so once it is done, we need to click save button, so click this save. Okay, so that is done, and in the terminal window navigate to, so this is the terminal window. What we have to do, we have to go to this directory, so copy this directory and click this change button and remove the previous one, paste it, click OK, and it is the same directory. Now I will click this open terminal button. You can see we have changed the directory to this location now. So for the password, copy this code and paste it here and press enter. That's good. Now copy this command and run it here. Okay, now copy the second one and paste it here, press enter, and just wait. Okay, the job has successfully been submitted, that's great. And copy this code, paste it here. Yeah, you can see the name, and let's check it. That's nice. Software, everything is good and it's completed. And the job execution. Yeah, so that's it guys, we have completed this lab. So simple now. So submit it, that's it. So let's see in the next video. I will start this lab, so see you soon. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back. And so let's start this lab, the last lab, migrating an application and data epic. No, so this lab has some error, so I'm not able to complete this lab. I think it is 3 or 4 days now. So we are getting this a little bit error in this step 6. So step 6 or step 5, no, something. Yeah, I think it is a step 5. So we are getting error in this step 5. So right now this lab is fixed, and we can start completing this lab. So let me log in quickly. Okay, so we are ready, and so this is logged in. First let's activate the cloud shell. So activate it. First we will run this code, g cloud authorize list. So copy and paste it there, and click this authorize button. That's it, and you can skip this thing. Let's go for the task 1. First we have to create an instance. So this is the name of the instance. So copy it and open the compute engine service, and inside this computing service we will create an instance, and this is the configuration. Pretty simple. Okay, click this create button at the top, and just wait here a little bit. Okay, paste the replace the name and change the machine type. Here the container. So copy this image, and let me change this series to N1 first generation series. Then we will go for this container, click this deploy button and paste the name for the image, and click select and scroll down a little bit, and in the advanced option we need to write there network tag. So copy this network tag and click this networking. You can see this network tag option. So paste this network tag there, and it's so this much we have to do. And now click this create button. That's it. So this is simple. So let it be ready, then we'll check our progress. Okay, so this is our instance page is ready. Now let's check it. Okay, good. Now copy this code and click this SSH button next to this first instance we have created, just and wait, let this our SSH windows to load, and we'll run this code sudo docker.ps. It will give the name for our container, and then we'll run this code by replacing the name. No, so just wait. Okay, done. Now paste this code, and here is the name. Good. Now copy this whole code and open a notepad separately here, paste it there, and copy this name. Wait, okay, sorry. Okay, this is the name. Now I will replace it at the place of this image name. So replace it here, copy this whole code, and then we will run it inside this window, and just wait. Okay, so this is good. Now we will go for this code number 14. Copy this code, paste it here, press enter. That's it. And now code number 15. Okay, so everything is fine. Now I can check my progress, and let's wait little bit, and I think it is done. Okay, so this is done. Now we can move to the step 2. So first we have to create a firewall. So to create a firewall, you need a name, service tag, and the IP address range. So these are the information. First you need to open VPC network. So open it, and there we have to go inside the firewall section and just fill this information, and that's it. So this is loaded. Now click this left at the left side firewall section and click create firewall rule, and fill the name. So here is the name, and we need target tag. So you know the target tag SQL server. So copy it and paste it here, and for the IP range we will go for all the types of IP range. So copy this IP range format, paste it here, and this is 9042. Copy this whole and check this TCP button and paste it here and click create button. That's it. You can check your progress. This will take a little bit time. Okay, so this is done. Now let's check our progress, and it is done. Good. Now let's go for the task 3. Copy this whole code, and inside this cloud shell, just run it here, paste it, and press enter key, and that's it. And now we need external IP address, so little bit bring it down and expand our compute engine. So just search it here or go through this navigation menu. Okay, so here it is. Now what we have to do, we have to copy this external IP address, and inside this code 4 paste this code in this notepad and copy this external IP address and replace it here, something like this. Copy this whole code, and we have to run inside this cloud shell and press enter key and wait a little bit. Okay, so we have to run this code twice, so copy it, the same code inside from your notepad, and just wait, let this record to upload 100, then we'll rerun this same code. Okay, so the record is inserted. Now let's run this same code once again, and let's wait once more for this inserted 100 record output, something like this. Okay, so we have got these two messages, 100 and 100. Then we can check our progress, and this will give us checkbox. Okay, nice. Now let's go for the task 4. Again we have to create an instance, and this is the name. So copy this name, click create instance button, and there write the name. Just remove this name, instance 1, and we have to change machine type, and this is a container image. So scroll down a little bit, just change the series to n1, and scroll down, click deploy, and paste this image. And we have to create environment variable, and we have to add a volume. So click it, add variable inside this environment variable, and here is the name and the value. So copy this name and paste inside this name variable, and this is the value. Copy it, paste inside this value field, and now click add volume, and there copy this mount path and paste inside this mount path field, and this is host path. So copy it carefully, paste it here, don't include any full stop there, and we have to change the mode to both type, read and write. Click down, then click select, and one last step, we have to add this service, network tag secure server. So copy that one and expand this advanced option inside network. You can see this option, so paste it there, and now scroll down and click create button. So let's wait few minutes. Okay, so our second instance is ready. Now let me check my progress first. Okay, so this is done. Up to step 4 there is nothing. Now let's go for the step 5. We have to open SSH window for this DSC server. So click this SSH button, and little bit we need to wait. Okay, so this window is ready, SSH window is ready. Now copy this code, paste it here. Okay, sorry, paste it without any extra character. Okay, good. Now copy this code and paste inside this, and we need a name. So here is the name, expand it a little bit, copy this name, and here replace it for the container name. Now copy this whole code paste it here and press enter key. That's it. Okay, now copy this code and paste it here. Okay, so we see that this new file is something like this. Now scroll down. What we have to do, we have to read this line. We have to uncomment all these things, or you can just copy this text, copy it for just quick action. Copy this one and yeah, just at this end press I button and press Ctrl V. That's it. And press Ctrl C, and now we have to save. Press Shift colon WQ and enter. That's it. After this, copy this code, paste it there, and we need a container name, so this is, and remove this message and paste it there. Press enter and just wait a little bit and we'll check our progress. Okay, so this should work. Let's check it once again. Nice, so this is working. Now we can move to the next step, task 6. Now copy this code, paste it there, and we need a container name, so this is the container name. So copy it and remove this message, paste it there. You can do this replacing things inside your this notepad, it will be easy, and press enter key. Okay, so you can see your server. Now you can run this code. If you are not getting this window something like this, which one I'm talking about? I'm talking about this one window. Okay, after running this code, if you are not able to see this thing, then just end your lab and restart it, but you will lose your credit. No, copy this code and run it there, just one by one. Copy and paste it there. Let's check our progress. No, wait once. We run this code, no? Okay, run this code. Unable to connect, something like this. Okay, now copy and paste it there. Okay, good. Now copy this code and paste it there. Okay, make sure you receive something like this message, then you can run rest of the code. Connected to test cluster, something like this. Now copy and pasted this. I thought this was connected. Now if I check my progress, it should go, no? Yeah, fine. Now we can move to the next task. For task 7, we have to go for the compute engine. Yeah, this is the compute engine, and we need DSC external IP address. So copy this code, paste inside this. Okay, so copy external IP address for the DSC server. So copy this in the second one. So copy this external IP address and open your notepad, and we have to replace here. Just add this one place, replace it, Control A, Control C, and we need to run in the cloud shell. So we need to run it here. Paste and just press enter. That's it. Now need to wait it there. So let it be 100. Then we'll check our progress. Okay, so we have got our 100 record. Now let's check our progress, and this should give us OK signal. Good. Now let's go for the task 8. In your SS window, type exit. So this is our DSC SSS window. Okay, so I will type here exit and press enter. So once we type exit, and we need to run this code, so copy it and paste it there. And now the second code, paste it there, and after that copy this whole code from the third line, and after running this code from the 3, copy this code and open your notepad, paste it there, and we need version. So where is that? That is this one. So copy this whole text and replace from here, paste it there, Ctrl C and paste it there and press enter key. That's it. Okay, so up to here everything is good. Now let's go for this code from this 5th line. So copy it, paste it there. Good. Now copy this whole code and paste it here, and then copy this path and open your notepad and replace it here. Now copy this whole code and paste it there. Good. So this is done. Now let's check the version. Okay, just a few minutes. Good. So everything is fine. Copy this CD code, paste it there, press enter. Good. And copy this code, paste it there, go to the external IP address for this first instance. This is the external IP address, copy it, and we need to replace it here. Copy this whole code and paste it here right now, and this will take a little bit time. See, you can see they have mentioned we have to replace the external IP address for this instance, so this one, so don't be confused there. So this will take some time. Okay, so this is done, doesn't took longer time. So once that is done, copy this code and paste it there. Good. Then now copy this code, paste it there, and what we will do, we have to replace the DC server external IP address. So this is the second one. Copy this external IP address and replace it here. Copy this whole code and open your SS window, paste it there. Okay, so this will take some time, so just wait few minutes. Okay, so this is done. Now let's go to lab sheet. Okay, so copy this code from this step 11 and you need to run in the DSC SSH window which we are using till now. In the second code, you can skip this thing. Let's check our progress. Okay, see this, we have already scored our 100 by 100. So that's it. Very simple. Just follow every instruction carefully and you will get your lab completed without wasting any more credit. So I have only 1 credit left and I have used it for this lab, so I have 0 credit. And let me sign out. So finally we have completed our Qwiklabs Trivia December 2022, and we have a one batch, and we have completed the quiz for this week 1, and this week 2 and week 3 is remaining. So this don't take, it will take just 15 minutes, and I will make you inform when this quiz second week will open. So if you have any problem regarding any of the lab, just comment down, I will try to solve, or just reach out to me in the Insta handle or Facebook, anywhere. So that's it guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.